Hi, friends. So you got the dreaded Titan fuel cap message on your iMid, on your Honda Civic. Mine is a 2013. Yours may be a different year, but here's the fix. And it is a simple one. Do not tighten the fuel cap. If you want to, I always do it just to say I did it. Some people you'll read, unplug the battery, plug the battery back in. You don't have to do that either. You don't have to do anything, literally. That is the fix. Wait a few days, drive your car. I don't know if it's a whole starting it or mileage thing, but I've noticed I put about 80 miles on my car a day driving to work and back. And I notice if I drive it 3 to 4 days, the message just goes away. I'll start the car and the message is gone. So there's your fix. It is a glitch. I looked through many forums and I found out after it happened to me about 5 times and I started not doing anything, not tightening the fuel cap, it's a glitch. If it randomly pops up, if you have like half a tank left and it says tighten fuel cap, why all of a sudden does the fuel cap need tightened? It's a glitch. So let it go. That's the fix. I hope this helped you. Very simple fix. It doesn't get any easier than that. I love you all, and we'll see you right here with the Gear Shots next time. Mwah.